Alrighty everyone, so I need your help. I need help trying to figure out what kind of videos everybody's looking out of a channel like this. If you haven't seen my channel and this is the first time, I started this channel about 9 months ago, and it's mainly supposed to be about my Jeeps, my XJs. This one here is a 91 Jeep Cherokee, and then my kid, which just started driving 2 weeks ago, has a 95 Jeep Cherokee. I'm kind of surprised because I have two channels. One channel I've had for about 19 years, and it actually has more videos on it than this one, and it really hasn't gone too far. This channel I've had for about 9 months, and it seems to be doing pretty well, I think. Kind of surprising myself. But I've kind of went from long videos to some shorter tutorial videos, and now I'm kind of doing these goofy short videos, which I think a lot of people are liking. A lot of people are seeing it. I've got a few likes on it and whatnot, but I've had some comments here lately about, well, one was today, just recently, about they haven't seen much adventure, which I understand. I need to get out a little bit more. There's not too many spots in this area that I'm real comfortable with going, unfortunately. I do go out to the sand dunes a lot, so I need to do some more videoing out there. I need to try to figure out how to set up the camera, or have a camera guy with some of the stuff that I could do out there. I do have a drone, and I have my Part 107 license, so I could do that, but the weather's summertime. Hopefully stuff will pick up in the summertime with going out there and doing stuff. And then there is some events that I plan on going to that I get into some mud and stuff like that. But I kind of feel like, I know I did a few videos with this thing and then I quit, so there's a big gap between where I started with this thing and where I am now. The reason why I kind of quit doing it was I didn't figure people would be that interested in seeing something that's on YouTube 900 times already. And I don't know, maybe I have a different twist to stuff, or I have a different way of doing it, and that's what people want to see. But I'm not sure what to show to get people more interested in making more longer videos. The only project that I have coming up, I haven't started on it yet, would be this header panel. So this one here is completely thrashed. I've had to drill through here and put more bolts into it. The lights are adjusted with cardboard, and they're all broke up. I've had to put this panel in here to there's a big chunk missing out of here, and put in bolts. So I had a guy give me this. Well, I'm supposed to eventually give him, I think he said 50 bucks for it. But the problem with this one is it's a newer style of a header panel. He started doing it from one of his Jeeps. It's shaped different here on the corner for the newer style. So what he did was he took and filled the inside with fiberglass, and then he was going to shape and form this to this older fender style here. And then all the pieces that are broken my likes inside of here, he gave me these, which are supposed to have good pieces. So I'd have to pull this off, shape all this, paint it, install all that stuff, and then install it back on here. And I don't know if that is something that people would be interested in seeing. I know when I painted the Jeep, I did paint the Jeep with a gun, an air gun, and that was another thing. I'm no painter, so it's not a professional job. I don't know, maybe that was something that somebody wanted to see. I know I probably should have spent more time on the cage when I put the cage in. Unfortunately, I got a little frustrated with that because I did not have the instructions I needed for it. And so that was a little bit of a battle, and I really should have videoed that. I need to just at least throw a camera up somewhere, even if I don't interact. Maybe something will come up and I can make something out of it. But I'm just curious, you know. I've done, I think, a couple walk arounds. I don't know if I've showed everything, or what really people are interested in. And I'd like to make more content and better content, but I really haven't had the comments on what people might want to see. So hopefully everybody will see this, at least the people that are interested in these XJs, and maybe give me some ideas. I know somebody asked me the other day if I'd ever done a U-joint driveline. I'm not sure if I already said this, but my kid only been driving for a couple weeks. After 4 days, he ended up blowing the rear driveline out of his, and this one showed up here as spare parts. It's actually a little shorter than the one that was in his, but I mean, if somebody's needing help on U-joint stuff, I could pull that U-joint out and try to throw it back in. You know, I've got all kinds of stuff in here. Somebody was wanting to see more welding. Unfortunately, I don't have any more welding at the time. I did weld this. The cage itself is a kit. It's a DIY kit, but I did weld it all in and installed it all myself. Did all the cuts here. I actually goofed up here and added a piece to I could have cleaned that up, made it look better, but cut a little bit too much away there. Then I've got lots of stuff in the shop that people might be interested in. So anyways, I don't want to ramble on too long. And I did, for attention, I did bring this in. I revved it up a little bit, and I did a burnout, and I did burnout on top of my extension cord. Pretty expensive extension cord here for my welder. Luckily, I do turn that off in the breaker box every day when I'm done using it. I don't know, maybe it would have been more exciting because we might have had some sparks going on and maybe some flamage coming from somewhere, but it was turned off in the electrical box. So I need to one day put a plug up here or something for the welder, so I don't have these cords running across my shop all the time. So alrighty, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll comment and give me any ideas of what I could do or what people are wanting to see, and maybe a like and subscribe. So thanks for watching.